Looking back at Xiaomi YU7, the entire series is built on Xiaomi's self-developed Super 800V silicon carbide high-voltage platform, positioned as a medium to large luxury high-performance SUV. Its length, width and height are 4999/1996/1600 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 3000 mm. It adopts a 5-seat layout and a front luggage volume of 141 L. The exterior adopts a coupe-style, with a long front and short rear design, equipped with inward-folding electric hidden door handles, frameless doors, ring-shaped plug-in type taillights, and a drag coefficient as low as 0.245 CD. It will be available in 9 colors, including 4 common colors: Cambrian Gray, Sapphire Green, Titanium Metallic, and Lava Orange. The interior is available in 3 colors: Pine Gray, Two-Tone Green and Gray, Coral Orange, and Twilight Blue. In terms of rims, Xiaomi YU7 will offer 7 styles of rims to choose from, including 19 inches, front and rear tire specifications 245/55 are 19, 20 inches, front and rear tire specifications 245/50 are 20, and 21 inches, tire specifications front 245/45 are 21, rear 275/40 are 21. One of the rims also offers multiple color options to meet the personalized needs of consumers. In terms of interior, it adopts a new design, equipped with the 3rd generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform manufactured with 4nm technology, equipped with laser radar as standard, equipped with NVIDIA Thor chip, processing power 700 TOPS, equipped with 1/4D mm wave radar, 11 cameras and 12 ultrasonic radars and other intelligent sensing equipment, equipped with a new Xiaomi Sky Screen panoramic screen. At the same time, the front dual zero-gravity seats, 10-point massage, rear 6.88-inch LCD instrument display. The rear seats support 135-degree backrest adjustment, variable panoramic skylight, intelligent heating and cooling refrigerator, and other luxury configurations will also be equipped. In terms of power, the entire series is built on an 800V silicon carbide high-voltage platform, offering single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor four-wheel drive options. The rear-wheel drive version is equipped with a maximum drive motor power of 235 kilowatts, a peak torque of 528 Nm, an acceleration time of 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.88 seconds, and a maximum speed of 240 km per hour. It is paired with a 96.3 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery pack, and the CLTC pure electric range is 835 km. The four-wheel drive version offers 2 power settings. The low-power version has a maximum power of 135 kilowatts for the front motor and 235 kilowatts for the rear motor. The total power of the system is 370 kilowatts and the total torque is 690 Nm. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.27 seconds and a maximum speed of 240 km per hour. It is paired with a 96.3 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery pack, and the CLTC pure electric range is 770 km. The four-wheel drive high-power version has a maximum power of 220 kilowatts for the front drive motor, a maximum power of 288 kilowatts for the rear drive motor, a system comprehensive power of 508 kilowatts, a system comprehensive torque of 866 Nm, an acceleration time of 3.23 seconds per 100 kilometers, a maximum speed of 253 kilometers per hour, and a matching 101.7 kWh ternary lithium battery pack capacity. The pure electric range of CLTC is 760 kilometers. Thanks to the 800V silicon carbide high-voltage platform adopted throughout the system, it supports a maximum charging speed of 5.2 C. SoC reaches 10% to 80% in just 12 minutes, and the fastest charging distance of 620 kilometers can be achieved in 15 minutes. In terms of chassis, Xiaomi YU7 adopts double wishbone front and 5-link rear independent suspension with CDC variable shock absorbers as standard. The four-wheel drive version is also equipped with a closed double-chamber air spring, supports 5-speed height adjustment. The maximum adjustment range is 75 mm. The maximum ground clearance is 222 mm, and the high and low stiffness difference is more than 40%.